Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I'd like to show you a Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help quick hold that you can use when you feel mentally stressed. But before I show you the hold, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, and share this video with someone who you think might like it. Now, in Jin Shin Jyutsu, we employ different energy sites, and we call these energy sites safety energy locks. There are 26 on the left side and 26 on the right side, and they are mirror images of each other. So if I have one here, I also have one here, okay? And if I have one here, I have one here. So we've got these mirror images of these safety energy locks on each side, and they are quite big. They're not points, they're quite big, so we can place our hands on them and we can recharge them. But they have a meaning, they have a function, and they are appropriately located on the body, as I have explained in different videos. So today I want to show you a particular energy site, a particular safety energy lock, and this is safety energy lock number 22. It's located at the base of the collarbone, so if you find your collarbones and then slide down, that's where safety energy lock 22 is. And safety energy lock 22 is incredibly useful for mental stress, but not only for mental stress, it's also useful for emotional stress, for digestive stress, and for physical stress. So it's a very, very important safety energy lock, because this is where all the energy, all those 144,000 functions are gathered and then sent out to the rest of the body. So it's very important to keep this safety energy lock clear and happy. And we can do that simply by placing the fingers on these safety energy locks. You can place the left hand on the left one, the right hand on the right one. You can also cross and hold if that is more comfortable for you. But it's always a good idea to check this area, and if you feel a lot of tension there, if it's quite hard or it feels quite tense, then it's a very, very good idea to hold them, to place your hands there, to ease them out. And that's all you need to do, really. It's just as simple as that. This is also a way to feel happy and content wherever we are. So this safety energy lock helps us to adapt to new situations, adapt to new environments. If we move house, if we have a different relationship, if we let go of a relationship and then we have another relationship, anything that changes in our lives, this safety energy lock will help us adapt to those changes. It's incredibly wonderful to have this system of safety energy locks that help us with every single experience in our lives on every single level, physically, mentally, emotionally, digestively, and spiritually. So the next time you feel mentally, emotionally, digestively, physically stressed, when it's all kind of churning away, place your hands at the base of your collarbones at safety energy lock 22, close your eyes and hold. No pressure needed, just place your hands and hold. So easy, so simple, so Jin Shin Jyutsu. If you'd like to practice Jin Shin Jyutsu on a regular basis, I offer weekly group practice sessions where we practice a different flow or different flows every week. It's a wonderful way to get together and practice Jin Shin Jyutsu. The group energy is wonderful and I just love it. So if you'd like more information about that, just click on the link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you look out for the next one. Bye for now.